Now, please ask Justice Ganguly.
Which Subramaniam Swami, by the way, says has never happened.
Just hold on.
Read out what the Supreme Court has said.
Just a copy of the report in his hand.
Just read out what the
Just give him
Supreme
a
Court
copy
has
of the
said.
report to read. But more importantly,
Yeah, I've got a copy of the report. I don't have to get it clandestinely. I got it from the
I would
website.
appreciate it if he did not interrupt me. I did not interrupt him.
Then don't bring
I
me
can only
in.
say I'm very happy
Make
that
your
he's not
point.
actually
Don't
a
bring
lawyer.
me in. If you bring me in,
Now,
I will reply.
Now, please ask Justice Ganguly to release in the public domain his video recording of the statement that he made before the committee. We will then know exactly what he's saying. Today he is hiding behind Justice Mr. Subramaniam Swamy and hiding behind Sanjay Hegde. And on another channel he
Now
feels
again
his
an
lawyer
allegation.
who's defending
what
him
an allegation to
come
make. Who
and
are
defend
you
him.
protecting?
Why
You are
doesn't
against
he
him
speak
because
for
he gave the
himself?
2G judgment
Why
probably.
doesn't he speak for
That's
himself?
an allegation I can make.
Arnab, I want to
What
make...
is the allegation? No, 1 second.
Look, Arnab,
What is the allegation? One minute. Indira
Look-
Jaising, what allegation, counter allegation are you making, Dr. Subramaniam Swamy?
I will tell her what allegation she made. She made the allegation that Justice Ganguly is hiding behind me. I am making the allegation that if you can make that kind of allegation, I can make an allegation that because he gave the judgment against the government on 2G, therefore they are gunning for him.
Okay, let me deal with that.
Was there a one-judge bench?
Funny.
No, was there a one-judge bench?
Exactly.
No.
Was there a one-judge bench or a two-judge bench? One second.
Yeah, you will get up to the other judge
What
also
kind of...
soon, I'm
1 minute,
sure.
Sanjay Hegde. Was there a one-judge bench or a two-judge bench?
The other
No,
judge
one
was
minute.
Justice G.S. Singhvi,
So what-
and
what-
Ms. Jai Singh has also been going after him.
One
Yeah.
second.
I want to come in over here.
Let me just
This
She has
clarify.
very doubtful
Dr.
motive.
Singh's
Can I?
allegation.
Yes. Very good.
No, either one second, Sanjay Hegde, you hold it there.
Yeah.
Hold it there. Hold it there, just Sanjay Hegde.
Yeah.
I am saying to you tonight. Now, either you prove, because this is... No, 1 minute, please let me
You
complete.
prove that
Right?
Ganguly is
Now,
hiding
either
behind
you...
me. Why only he has to prove? What about her allegation that
One
Ganguly
second,
is hiding
Subramaniam
behind me?
Swamy, you were careful with your words, Sanjay Hegde was not. No, 1 second. You were careful with your words, don't jump to his defense. You were careful with your words, Sanjay Hegde was not. Sanjay Hegde has made a direct allegation on national television on the news hour right now. That Indira Jai Singh has also been going after another Supreme Court judge who was part of the 2G judgment.
Yes.
This is a direct... 1 minute. This
on record.
This is
It's
therefore...
on record.
This is now therefore a direct
Okay.
allegation
It's
against
on
you.
record. And
That Indira Jai Singh...
Now let me clarify.
By the way,
let me state the allegation.
By the way,
let me put the charge
you're
to her.
rephrasing it now.
Let me put the
You're
charge to her.
rephrasing it now.
No. This is pure lawyer speak. Let me put the charge to her.
It's not lawyer
The charge
speak.
to-
Don't
the charge
dignify
to her- The charge is that as ASG, she's been, let's put it, pouring oil on troubled flames. Wherever both of those judges have, for whatever reason, both judges are facing certain criticism.
Sanjay, I'll read something.
She
1 minute,
has
I'll read
every
something.
bit of that
I will read this to
I
you.
want to know as a member
Indira
of the
Jai
bar.
Singh. Indira Jai Singh is responding. Indira.
I will. I will
Indira Jai
respond.
Singh will respond,
Yeah,
sir.
please.
You had your say. Indira Jai Singh.
Please. She's
Okay.
been fanning criticism.
Let her.
Right.
Because you don't agree with her, you can't
Right.
accuse her of something without having basis. Indira Jai Singh.
Arnab, Justice Ganguly has been part of a bench which gave several judgments, not just one. Now, none of his judgments are being called into question. What is happening here is you have a culture of sycophancy at the bar. And, you know, some lawyers seem to think that the more you do chamchagiri of judges, the more you can advance in life. The point is there's something very, very wrong with the legal profession. I'd like to ask Sanjay Hegde, what's wrong with making a bona fide criticism of a judgment? If I chose to criticize the judgment delivered by a bench consisting of Justice Singhvi and Justice Mukhopadhyay on Section 377, I think all of us have a right to criticize judgments in a bona fide manner. Okay? It is just the culture of sycophancy which refuses to criticize judges.
And
the entire nation. Arnab, can I?
Point back at you, 4 fingers point back at you, and what I am saying is this, that you criticize judgments, right. You criticize.
Can I request
criticize
you?
the judge.
Can I request
right.
you?
But there is a pattern. There is a pattern which is emerging.
Sanjay Hegde, can I just say one thing to you?
Yeah.
You keep all your petty fights at the bar, fights between lawyers, fights between different, groups in 1 minute, please.
Yes,
The Supreme
yes.
Court Bar Association out of the Times Now newsroom,
Yes,
please.
yes,
And I'm
absolutely.
saying this to you with
is
great
not a
respect
fight
to
of
you.
the bar.
Please don't
This
take
is
it
a
otherwise.
Where the
There is
male
nothing
lawyers
of the
are not
bar.
going
No,
to
please
allow
don't-
women
please-
lawyers to practice the profession. I want to ask some questions to Mr. Sanjay Hegde tonight.
Go ahead, Brinda Gobar.
Go right ahead.
Sanjay Hegde, you will remember that perhaps
Go
on
right
this
ahead.
channel
Brinda,
or any other channel,
I'm waiting.
I'm talking. On this channel or some other channel, you mentioned when this story broke out, we must all stand up and protect, make sure that we give the fullest protection to the law intern. Does that jog your memory? These were your words.
Absolutely.
Today, hear yourself speak. What has happened today?
Let her complete.
The full details of what this judge has done are out in the open. Can you run away from what kind of the nature of this horrific sexual harassment that she has faced? What has Ms. Jaisingh as an additional Solicitor General done? She has been a law officer who has taken her duty towards the Constitution to protect women's right and dignity and spoken up. What we want here is a silence. You did not comment when the former Chief Justice of India, Altamas Kabir, spoke out of turn and defended Justice Ganguly. You did not speak when Somnath Chatterjee defended Justice Ganguly. We have all respectfully waited. We abide by due process. And then you have the cheek to slander us like this? This is not about Supreme Court Bar Association. This is about male lawyers protecting male judges.
Oh, yes.
This is also against women lawyers who think that feminism means an FIR at every stage.
There is no FIR.
That is where the issue lies, and that is what now let me speak. That is what the intern first asked. The intern's blog, let me quote the blog to
I
you.
know the blog.
The last sentence of that
I know
blog
the blog.
was, while dealing with sexual violence, can we allow ourselves to embrace feelings beyond or besides anger? And this is what
I will read out to you now. I will read out to you.
Begane Shadi mein Abdullah Diwana.
For a reference. Talk about that.
If she chooses that she will not take the matter
Are
further,
you her spokesperson?
let it be there.
Are you her spokesperson?
As far as Justice Ganguly is concerned.
Now you see, are you going to 1 minute,
Yeah.
1 minute, forget 1 minute please,
Yeah.
1 minute. To Sanjay Hegde I'd say this,
Yeah.
that neither are you Brutus nor are you Mark Antony. So your attempt at Shakespearean prose will not take away if your argument is shallow. Your argument should be predicated around section 354,
Absolutely, I'm
assault
so
or criminal.
grateful.
Don't be grateful to me. Don't be grateful to me.
Yes.
I am not. You
No,
seem to be excited here like a child tonight when I
Arnab.
quote section 354. I will read out to you.
Yes.
I will read out to you what he says. I pushed him away, stating I had to leave immediately.
Absolutely.
You are very beautiful, he said. He put his hand on my head and said, you are very beautiful. I immediately rose from my seat, but before I had a chance to respond to the statement, he caught hold of my arm saying, you know that I am attracted to you, don't you? You must be thinking, what, this old man is getting drunk and saying such things? But I really I love you. When I tried to move away, he then started kissing my arm and repeated that he loved me. I pushed him away, stating I had to leave immediately. By now it was crystal clear to me that the preceding events were not innocuous in nature and that he was making unwelcome sexual advances. With the greatest of respect to both of you who are trying to give a 2G spin to all of
Now
this.
wait a minute, you are bringing me in, you told me you are only going.
You are both.
Now you are trying to bring me in, then I have a right to defend.
The seriousness
Yeah,
of
don't
what
think
this lady has said.
You can run a...
1 minute, Subramanian Swamy.
Let's get to
So
the
you
You brought my name in, I have a right to reply.
Yes, you do, but you don't want me to read out these parts, I'm sure. Because it makes you uncomfortable.
Don't go on putting words in my mouth. I never said any such thing. If you make an allegation against me, I will reply. Because you are not a moderator today, you are a prosecutor.
That's all right. I am a prosecutor.
It's all right. I can also reply. I can also bring out a lot of things.
Subramanian Swamy, Subramaniam Swamy, please. I am a prosecutor. 20 minutes back I was an ignoramus.
Yes, you're an ignoramus prosecutor. You're an ignoramus prosecutor. You don't know the law.
And Kavita Krishnan is a Maoist.
Yeah,
and
she's
your
a
colourful
Maoist.
language doesn't take away. So I'll
Okay,
get.
okay.
One second, gentlemen. I have Harish Salve on the phone line. 1 minute. Harish Salve, you're there? Mr. Salve? Mr. Salve, are you there? Okay, we'll try and get Harish Salve on the phone line. He wanted to say something on this debate.
Can I tell you
I want to get in.
No, just 1 minute.
Are you taking back what you said?
No, I'm not. I'm just telling you, as far as 354...
Sanjay Hegde,
as far as 354...
You're getting a rebut.
In law of a prima facie finding, you know the law much more, I'm sure, Mr. Sanjay Hegde. Please tell me, are there any consequences in law for prima facie finding? This is a prima facie finding by 3 judges of the Supreme Court, and you are behaving as though there is nothing before us. And what are we asking for? What has the
Sanjay Hegde, it is pertinent that the Supreme Court has found. What is the Supreme Court panel has found Justice Ganguly prima facie guilty based on the facts that the intern has put before it. A misconduct of a sexual nature is clearly evident and proven. I am asking, maybe the Supreme Court should have recommended his removal as a West Bengal Human Rights Commission chief. Because I feel extremely strange that a person like this continues to adjudicate on issues of human rights and violence against women. I mean, nobody trusts him. I wouldn't trust him. Who trust him?
No, I entirely agree with you there.
What's it?
But there, I would leave the decision to Justice Ganguly for a few days more. I will leave that decision.
Kavita Krishnan,
as far as the criminal law is concerned, I have a different take.
Kavita Krishnan, yes.
I have to leave for another event at Munirka bus stop, so I have to leave soon. So just let me quickly get in what I have to say.
Yes, sure.
See, I think that, the thing that we need to, the legal fine points and all of that, and all the other very strong points will be made by, other panelists like Ms. Jaisingh and Vrinda Grover. I just want to say one thing here, that look, 1 year after December 16th, last year, much of the anger on the streets was directed at victim blaming. There was tremendous anger when Asaram Bapu said what he did about the December 16 Jyoti. Okay. And I am saying that anger is something which prevails even today. And the kind of things which I'm hearing from Subramaniam Swamy more openly, in a more...
No, I'll have to reply. He's brought that in again. That Naxalite who believes in free sex cannot talk like this. Now, why do you bring my name in? You make your point without bringing my name in.
The woman's complaint.
You have no faith in all this. You don't believe in bourgeois morals, do you?
Please ensure that.
Yeah, don't take my name.
Without interruption, please.
She cannot take my name and I not reply. She's anyway going to go away.
But she has the right to respond to you.
You can rant later.
But she has the right to respond to you.
She is not responding to me. She's bringing all the extraneous matters into it.
I just want to get in a point here that this kind of disgusting victim blaming, and Sanjay Hegde's point is very interesting. He says, so Subramaniam Swamy says, why hasn't she filed an FIR? Sanjay Hegde playing on the same team.
I didn't say why did she file an FIR. I said why Kapil Sibal has not filed an FIR. You're a typical Naxalite telling lies all the way.
She has made her complaint public. She has come forward with her complaint. Now it is for the institutions like the President of the country to act, because this person who is accused isn't some man on the street. He is holding a constitutional post of office. This is not about his conscience. He is representing the Constitution of India.
What a liar.
How can he be allowed to do that?
Can
we as citizens, it is our business
Of course
now.
he is.
We as citizens have to speak. We have to say we don't want human rights to be adjudicated by someone who is a violator, who is accused of violating women's rights. It's as simple as that. We don't want to hear this kind of, extremely disgusting victim blaming. Why did she go there on Christmas Eve? It's as though it's her choice. She's a young law intern.
Yeah.
She has to do what she has to do when she's asked to do a job. I'm finding it appalling even as a labour activist.
She went there because... No, 1 minute. I think you should take... Subramaniam Swamy... I think we should settle this part of the matter.
I beg pardon for this. I will have to leave now.
I appreciate that.
I appreciate that.
Harish